Hi everyone, my name is Jody Bushai, and this is my career and major discussion for my Psych 112 class. I hope you all enjoy this because I'm actually pretty nervous. So the job I want to focus on is a Child Protective Service caseworker, and the duties for that would include reviewing reports of an alleged case of abuse or neglect, investigate the case through interviews with key people, which would include children, parents, other relatives, and medical providers. They would collect documentary evidence, such as medical reports, arrest records, and court filings. Plan and coordinate services to help children and their families. Fill out paperwork outlining the investigation and resulting actions that were taken. May be required to provide 24-hour on-call service. Caseworkers would try and keep families together if possible, but sometimes children may need to be removed from a home for their own safety. They would aim to reduce the trauma neglected or abused children experience. They also may find themselves in dangerous situations while confronting people that they believe have harmed children. They also are called to testify in court proceedings and may help prepare the case against the abusive person. So, the required education for a Dcfs, which is Division of Child and Family Services in Utah, caseworker would be a bachelor's degree in one of the following areas: social work, psychology, sociology, family and human development, criminal justice, or a closely related field. I'm going into marriage and family studies, so that should count for that. So in continuing my education, I am currently a sophomore in college studying marriage and family. I'm planning on graduating in the fall of 2023. I'm definitely taking my time on this. I will be getting a Bachelor of Science in Marriage and Family Studies, and I plan to talk with a career counselor after I get my associate's degree, which would be following this semester. I want to reach out to professionals in this field to get a better idea of where I need to go with my education to get the best possible experience while I'm here in college. And I would like to look for volunteer opportunities in my own community. So, why psychology? It fascinates me how different people are. I have always loved the mind and how it works the way that it works. Mental health is something that's personally affected me and my family, and family has been so important to me, and I want to make improvements to the family unit in the best possible way. I absolutely love helping people, and I love listening to them. I've always tried to figure people out, especially myself, but it's just something that's always intrigued me. Social work is the field that I want to pursue. So I wanted to compare this with our chapter 13 reasons. So I just highlighted the ones that related to me, which have a very strong interest in the subject matter of psychology. A bachelor's degree in psychology will prepare me for a job, and I want to figure myself out. I want to become a professional social worker. So those are the ones that kind of hit the same list as my other one. So, thanks for taking the time to listen to my presentation. Hope you all go out and just live the best lives that you can. Thanks.